Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tilina Samarasinghe, and I'm excited to announce that the start of a brand new module in our lecture series, System Integration and Architecture. Right? So this time we are driving into system integration and architecture. So if I give you a brief introduction about what is system integration and architecture. So system integration and architecture is an important area in information technology, which focuses on connecting different systems together. You can see in the term itself, system integration is there. And then you can say system architecture, right? In today's world, businesses rely on many systems. So it is very essential to bring these systems together and integrate this system in such a way, such an architecture where it will help organizations, individuals who are using these systems to save time and keep data accurately and process data smoothly and run the system functions or the organization functions smoothly. So in this course, students will learn why integration is important and issues which arises when systems are integrated together, describe the principles of integration, the methods of integration, and explain the need why we are integrating systems. And you will be able to apply theoretical and conceptual views and all these system integrations. So as you can see in this module, you can expect a mix of about system integration and architecture. So whether you are a student, whether you are a professional, whether you are simply a person who is passionate about system integration and architecture, there's something here for everyone. So each session which I am going to talk about will build on the last session which I did, the last lecture. So make sure to follow along as we move from the basics to the advanced concepts of system integration architecture. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started on this journey together to learn system integration and architecture. So from here onwards, I will call system integration and architecture SIA. In the coming lectures, I will call system integration and architecture SIA. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon, and stay uploaded with each new lecture which I am going to put, and which I am going to upload to the series. And let's make learning impactful, and let's make learning exciting as well. So thank you very much, students, for joining with me. So I'm going to meet you with another video, the lecture 1 of SIA. And I hope that you will enjoy the series with me. So good luck and goodbye.